Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, July 19th, 2023. Let's take a look what's going on the Forex economic calendar today. What do we see here are the most important events for today, and we're starting with the CPI. First CPI is scheduled for release at 8 o'clock. The CPI is from the UK, and the market participants expect a drop from 8.7 to 8.2%. The second CPI is for the whole European Union, and this one is scheduled for release at 11 o'clock. This time, the market participants expect a drop from 6.1% to 5.5%. During the New York session, we got another very important data scheduled for release: building permits and crude oil inventories. The first are scheduled for release at 2:30, and the crude oil inventories are scheduled for release at 4:30. So those are the very important data release that might trigger the market movement today on the Forex markets. So let's take a look definitely at the crude oil later on, and then let's take a look at the British pound as well. The crude oil chart on a 4-hour time frame looks rather bullish. As you can see, we got the recent breakout out of this big consolidation here. We went towards 77.33, and there was a bearish engulfing pattern that resulted in a slight pullback towards the level of 74. But then again, the bulls are not throwing the towel just yet. They are still trying to move higher. So right now we are trading just above this short-term trend line support, and eyes on the bulls are still on the local high at 77.33. Any breakout higher opens the road towards this level here, 79.20, and then of course towards the highs at 83.53. The British pound 4-hour chart is showing us another leg to the downside, approaching the immediate technical support at 1.3, and then of course another technical support 1.2965. Those technical supports are quite weak because they were made during this big move to the upside with the highs at 1.31. So the key technical support for the British pound is still located at 1.2847. Any breakout below this technical support will likely result in another leg to the downside, and the whole movement to the upside might be then cancelled and reversed. Please notice the fact that the key long-term technical resistance located at the level of 1.3168 still has not been hit. So this might be just kind of a pullback or a correction to the downside, and then the market might bounce and then attack this key long-term technical resistance. If this level 1.3968 is violated, then of course we have a confirmation of the long-term uptrend on British pound. Euro dollar daily time frame chart is still showing us some sort of the weakness. We hit the level of 1.1275, and then the bearish engulfing pattern occurred on the very top of the move. There still is possible for the bulls to bounce from the technical support at 1.1204, but if this level is violated, there is virtually nothing here, no strong technical support until 1.1012, because this was the level where that was tested already. So market sees this level, market recognize this level, it's been tested, so we can count that this level will be will provide a nice technical support for the bulls if they reach this level. Nevertheless, the outlook remains bullish with additional targets way higher on the euro. The SP 500 is still trading inside of this up the trending channel, so we see another movement to the upside towards the level of 4,558. As you can see, we just broke above this technical resistances, 4,465, 4,454. So in the case of a pullback or a correction, this is the level that should provide enough strength to bounce from it, and then of course rally even higher. Only a sustained breakout below this level and then breakout out of this channel would indicate a possible test of the technical support, the key technical support at 4,197. Otherwise the outlook remains bullish. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this short analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.